Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Mason, back here with another video with Mason Owen. I don't know if you can see it. This is what you have left.
Far just in the way that I could throw the water in the air and you'll see what it turns into.
Okay, we're gonna do this. So, I'm actually gonna go do it. I'll have you guys with me.
Can I hold that?
No, because I'm gonna take them with me. I'll be back out momentarily when the water boils.
Holy crap, look at this thing.
Look,
I know, it is snowing. I know that.
this is my foil I showed you in yesterday's vlog. Snow. Okay guys, we're inside now. Watch it. We're gonna watch water boil. Almost to a boil. Yeah. Okay guys, it's boiling. Turn off the stove. Oh.
Don't let water get on it. It's down at the ground too.
It just made a bunch of steam. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go. Just get some hot water now. You're wrong. It does have to be boiling. Pause it.
So today,
So the results are it needs to be boiling.
yes, it needs to be about like at 200 something degrees for how cold it
It's
is out here.
130
And
degrees water boils. So it
then-
needs to be boiling. Then you throw it up. If it's not, we tried it. It doesn't work. See you guys later. Peace.